Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Anybody that's off today for President's Day, awesome. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys have going on for today and whatnot. Unfortunately, I have to work in about 2 hours. I'm just trying to bring you guys another video, just going over. This is actually going to be the mid/blue chip stock video for today. I'm going to be bringing you the last video of the day is going to be my penny stock video. You should see that about mid-afternoon. But I'm trying a different format with this, and I'm going to be trying to do this more often where I am dropping videos, middays instead of, the very end of the day, because I think that a lot more people are watching videos about then. So if you're new to the channel and you learned something / you enjoyed the video, if you want to go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it a lot. Just brings more people to the channel, and I really appreciate it a lot. So, but without further ado, let's jump into the video here. So I want to just bring up these three just to, just bring them up a little bit. Mara, RIOT, and BTBT. Very, very bullish on these. I just did a cryptocurrency video, and crypto's not going anywhere. I brought you a video last week about what I think is going to happen, and it's starting to happen. I think, I told you that we're going to have a little bit of a pullback into the 44 to 46,000 range for Bitcoin, and then we're going to see a climb up. I'm still very bullish on that whole analysis, and I think that once we see that 49,000, I think we're going to see a lot more people are going to be investing, and we have the stimulus right around the corner. I think with more investors, we're going to see more and more people that is just going to be blown out of control. That's why I have Mara, RIOT, and BTBT. And also one that's not on here is EBON. I'm very bullish on EBON also. I'm still holding a huge position on EBON because I think it's one of the most slept on cryptocurrency stocks that are out there right now. But these three I am very, very bullish on. If you want a safe investment with crypto, but you don't want to go into crypto, you want to go into miners, these three are going to majorly benefit off of crypto going insane. Mara, it's almost $11 under where RIOT is. I think that that's the safest one out of the bunch to be invested in. I still think that they're all three have their positives and negatives. But Mara, I've been in Mara since it was $4, basically $3. I first brought it to you. It's over 10x that right now. RIOT and Mara have had this up and down situation. Sometimes Mara's higher than RIOT, sometimes RIOT's higher than Mara. But I think that they should be both about the same price. So if you want to get in Mara, I think there's a $8 to $10 upside on that. But the one that I've been bringing you for a while is BTBT. This was the first one that went over $30, and it's been lagging behind a lot. And we've been seeing this little bit of a game of cat and mouse with this, where it drops to 22 to 23, and then it goes to 27, 28. So what I want to say for anybody that's out there and that wants a quick swing trade / day trade, wait for this to pull back to the 22 range, which it probably will because it's been doing that every single time for the last 2 weeks in a row. Wait for that $22, $21 pullback, buy in, sell at the $26 range. An easy $3 to $4 price target, and you'll be able to easily make a good amount of money off of that. And it's done it every single time, but I'm still very bullish on this long term. I think this has no reason why it shouldn't be in the 30 range, and I am still very bullish on that. Another one I do want to kind of bring up, and I haven't really talked about, is FTFT. That's another one that I'm very bullish on. These were the three that I talked about for the longest time, and I'm still going to be talking about them because, like I said, with Bitcoin going crazy, if you think about it, with Bitcoin has the possibility to 2x. I easily see each one of these being able to 2x too. They kind of fluctuate with Bitcoin's price, and like I said, it's a no-brainer. So next one I want to talk about is Fubo, and Fubo has been that one that has been hurting like beyond anything. I think that we are going to be seeing a consolidation period here right now. We've seen a lot of buying on Friday, which I was very happy about. We have to go over that 48 to 47.50 range for this one to start breaking out. I think we have to break past that resistance right there. And once we see that, I think that, and the volume continues, I think that we are going to see a 55 to 60 plus movement. But we've been seeing that whole lot of shorting going on with this one, and I brought you it 2 weeks ago and whatnot that is heavily shorted. But if we could squeeze those shorts into this one, like I said, we'll have no problem going 60 plus. We'll just have to be a little bit more patient with this one, and I just want to bring it to you guys and tell you I'm very bullish on it though. Next one I want to bring you is Alibaba, is one that I brought to you a little while ago. Everyone knows Alibaba. Jack Ma actually disappeared for time. I told you I'm not really betting on Alibaba, I'm betting on Jack Ma. If you bought in like the 240, even the 220 range, like I said in the video about a month and a half ago, you are looking pretty decent right now. But I see this one possibly having a breakout soon. I love how the chart looks. If we can see a lot of buy-ins soon, I can easily see this one possibly going to $300 again. That's almost that's about a $30 upside. But I mean, it's went over 320 before. So that's where the gap up could possibly be with this one. But I just wanted to bring it to you guys' attention because I think the chart is looking pretty fantastic. Look for the volume on this one, and if it sees that, it could possibly shoot up crazy. So next one, PLTR, brought it to you guys a while ago too. It went to 45 and it's kind of this heck of a pullback. I think we're going to see a little bit more of a pullback / consolidation period right here. But I think if this does drop under $30, I think it's a no-brainer of a buy. I think that you're going to be seeing some awesome news here, and it's going to be a long-term, maybe 2-month plus hold, but I easily see this one going back up to 40, or almost a $10 upside on this if you hold it, 30 and you hold for a month or two. I think that that's a no-brainer. As long as we don't see too much more of a sell-off, like I said, I think we might see another red candle here with a consolidation period. If it does that, like I said, I easily see a 2-month hold for $40 again. And I just wanted to bring that to your attention because it's screaming out to me, hey, buy me right now, but I've been hesitant because I kind of want to get under that $30 range. Last one I want to bring you is WIMI, and this is one I haven't brought in a while actually. It's about 4 or 5 months ago I brought it to you at almost $8, and it's actually up to about $11, $12 now. This company does different research and development for holograms / AI, and I am very bullish on that. I mean, I think that that's the future when it comes to video games, even health and stuff too. Just being a doctor and everything, just being able to have AI and / being able to have like a hologram where they can see like the inside of like what a patient looks like. The applications I think are outrageous, crazy going forward with this. That's why I'm very bullish on this. I think that the chart is looking pretty fantastic. I see a little bit more consolidation and then a leg up. If this can go over $11.90, almost $12, I think we can see a run up. It's went almost $30 before July. So, I mean, that is the possible gap up for this one. And like I said, if you can get in, wait for those red days, which we might possibly have with a 3-day weekend and, all the crazy news going forward. But I think we're going to see a very bullish / green next week. If we can see more news about a stimulus and some positive news about maybe job markets and everything, I think we are going to be seeing a heck of a green week, and we're going to see some really great gains. But that's the video. Please let me know in the comments below what you all are watching. What did you think about my analysis? Are you in on any of these? Do you have a few shares at some of these? Are you very bullish on Bitcoin? Would love to know in the comments below, and I love to communicate with all of you, and I think we have one of the best communities ever. We've been so positive with everything, and there's some very, very knowledgeable people that are commenting. And I just have to say I'm blown away by the support and everything too. But that's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you'd like to check me out on any social media, I have my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon in the description below. I also have my referral links for both of the platforms that I use, both Robinhood and Webull. And like always, I like to end these videos with, I want you to stay humble but never satisfied. Remember that never stop that grind. If there's something that you want out there, don't let anyone tell you that you can't have it, because they're lying to you, and you'll only be lying to yourself if you agree with them, because there's so much craziness in this world, and everything that has happened in the last year or two, I honestly believe that we can't sleep on anything. You have to go out there and try and do anything you can while you still can, because I mean, if anything that this taught me in the last year or two that has really humbled me is just the amount of crazy things have been happening. People that I've known for years lost their job and had to switch to other things, and it showed me how much everybody can really evolve, and how even if you do have a really bad thing happen in your life, you can always bounce right back and try to do something else. And that's what I'm saying. If you are in a very comfortable space or comfortable place right now, I would suggest you getting out of that comfortable space. I mean, comfortable is normal, and if you're normal, I mean, that's cool and everything, but you don't want to be comfortable. You want to always be growing and getting better with your trades, getting better with anything that is in life, because you're not always going to be comfortable. You're going to have probably things that happen in your life that go insane, that really test you as a person. And if you try, and if you put a little bit more effort into those times where you are comfortable, those times that are really, really bad, I feel are not going to be as bad, because you did grind out those days that you really, were super comfortable, didn't need to do the extra work, but you did it. And I mean, that's going to be a very good thing for you to realize in the future and everything. So I kind of want to just share that with you, with just what I'm dealing with, and I think what I've seen other people deal with, recently. It's just, it's a crazy world we live in, and there's no real good time to start doing anything. Did I think that I was going to start a YouTube channel during this whole pandemic? No, had no idea that this was going to happen and everything. But I'm sure as heck glad I did, because I got to meet all of you, and I mean, I'm just so thankful and happy. I just want to tell you guys that. But anyway, you guys stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, yo.